Welcome back to my channel. So this is the second episode of this rectum, and today we will be studying the visceral relations of rectum, which is really important, not just of rectum but of any organ, any part of intestine. You have to remember the visceral relations. It is really important. I think you can smog it up, otherwise you have, if you understand a diagram, I think it will be easy for you to remember it whole your life. Okay, so don't get confused or don't get worried by just looking at this diagram. Please do not worry, I will just explain you. I'll make it very easy. Once you understand this diagram, you are understanding everything. You don't even need to mog it up. Okay, this diagram is everything. So please look at this diagram carefully and please understand what I'm teaching. Please try to concentrate here. Okay, so visceral relations. So now in this whole diagram, you ignore everything except this rectum. Just look at this rectum. Okay, can you see? Rectum, this part, whole this part. This is the rectum, this part. Rectum. Can you see? Yes. Now, after, okay, let's mark this rectum. First, just look at the rectum. Now, we will divide its relation in the upper 2/3 part and the lower 1/3 part. Lower 1/3 part and the upper 2/3 part. Okay. So, both in the male and in the female, the visceral relation is same, which is it has got this coils of ileum, sigmoid colon, and okay, both of them they have the coils of ileum, sigmoid colon, and the one thing that is really that is important and is different is the retrovesical pouch in case of male and I'll write here retrouterine pouch in case of female. So the thing that you should understand that is retrovisceral vesical pouch is this part. I will highlight with a black marker just so first understand rectum. Ignore everything other. I will say showing it you a pouch. My marker is not working. So this is the retrovesical pouch. Now what it is that it is a small area between this urinary bladder. Here you can see this structure is urinary bladder. Okay, and this is the rectum. The small area between the urinary bladder and the rectum is known as the retrovesical pouch. Actually, it is the it is like it is a kind of covering. It's a small pouch. Okay, so this is known as a small space. Okay, because of this peritoneum, it got unfolded and other things, so which you really need to not know right now. You will study it in the reproductive system. So I'm just concerning about the important thing that you should know right now, which is the retrovesical pouch in male. So same kind of small pouch you can see between the in the female in the retrouterine pouch, where it is between the uterus and the rectum. Okay, now as you have understood what is retrovesical and retrouterine, I will again repeat it that this is pouch, okay, between the two organs, that is the these two urinary bladder and the rectum. Okay, this peritoneal fold which you can see here, this is known as the retrovesical, and it is retrouterine in case of rectum and uterus in female. So it is so easy. Upper 2/3, coils of ileum, sigmoid colon, you can see the sigmoid colon, coils of ileum, and this pouch. Okay, same in case of female. Now you know the anterior relation, visceral relation of the rectum in case of male and female. In upper 2/3 is the coils of ileum, sigmoid colon, and this rectovesical and retrouterine pouch. Okay, I have not made the diagram of the female reproductive system because I think it will be very congested in this small whiteboard, and it's just about, I made this diagram to make you understand about the structure of this present, give a little concept, and I think you can get it from here. Okay, if you want a better image, you can Google it. You will find very nice pictures showing the relations of the rectum. Now talking about the lower 1/3, just write all of the male reproductive organs that are situated in the upper part. All of them, they fall on the visceral relations in the lower part. Okay, suppose here, see, base of the urinary bladder, seminal vesicle. So can you see the seminal vesicle? So I have shown here the seminal vesicle. Okay, now another thing is the ejaculatory duct. You can see here this ejaculatory duct, prostate. Obviously these two bulges here, prostate, and the part of the ureter. So lower part of these are the two ureters, they come from here. So the lower part of the ureters. So these are the things that are related with the lower part of the rectum. Okay, so just remember male reproductive system and the things that are situated in the upper part, okay, upper region, they are all related with the rectum, which are urinary bladder, prostate, seminal vesicle, ejaculatory duct, lower part of the ureter. So these are the things that is related with the lower 1/3 of the anterior lower 1/3 of the anterior part of the rectum. Okay, this is the anterior relation. I'm not talking about the posterior. Anteriorly the organs that are related, posteriorly the organs that are related, we will discussing it separately. So this is the anterior relation. In the female there is nothing different. The upper one is the same with the retrouterine pouch instead of retrovesicle, and in the lower 1/3 related to the lower part of the vagina. That is all you need to write. Lower part of the vagina. Okay, and here this is what you need to know. Okay, so can you get it? So first of all, just remember the rectum. Say its upper part, there is the coils of ileum, sigmoid colon, and there is a pouch like this. So this comes in the upper part, and the lower part, whatever you can see here, all the structures, they come in the lower part. And in the female, the lower part is vagina, and the upper part is the same except the retrouterine pouch, and this is the visceral relation of the rectum. Okay, this is the anterior visceral relation of the rectum. So now I want to discussing with the posterior relation, because it is really nicely given in the B.D. Chaurassia book. You can go that. I know that all of you must have that book. I know all of you do have that book, because that's like the godfather of anatomy. So please go to that book. It is given in a very nice way, and just relate it, whatever written, you relate it with a picture. Since the picture of the visceral relation was not given, so I just made it here, so you can read the posterior part from the book. I hope you just understood this. So the picture might not be clear, but please try to understand. Here it is this rectum. Okay, this is the rectum, and we have to relate it with these structures anteriorly. Walls of ileum, sigmoid colon, this pouch, and then you go with the lower part, urinary bladder, prostate, and seminal vesicles, and the ejaculatory, upper lower part of the ureter. So this is what is related. Whereas in female, what is the lower part of the vagina? So just write it down, and your relations is complete. And then write the posterior relations, which is shown with the muscles and the vertebra. So this is it. I hope that you liked this video. If so, then please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.